Good morning, class 8. Class 7. Representative fraction. What is this? This is a numerical scale that gives us the ratio distance between two places on a map and the distance on the ground. That means the distance, what is written in the map, is the ratio with the distance which is originally on the ground. That is 1:50,000. Here 1 unit, centimeter, inch, yard, etc. is meant. On the map would be equal to 50,000 units of the same distance on the ground. The ratio is also given as fraction such as 1 by 50,000 in a numerator. This is a numerator representation. 1 unit on the map and the denominator representing the unit on the ground. You can calculate the ground distance between 2 points by measuring the distance between the same 2 points on the map and then by multiplying the map distance by the denominator of the RVF. For example, if the distance between A and B on the map it is written 5 centimeter, then it will be either 1:50,000 or 1 by 5,000. Then we have to write it 5 into 50,000 centimeter. Then it will be 250 250,000 centimeter. So 5 centimeter on the map, we have to multiply it with 50,000. Now, if we convert it into kilometer, it will be 2.5 kilometer because 1,000 kilometer. 1 kilometer equals to 1,000, so 2 and 2,500, that means 2 kilometer and half kilometer. Okay, now when it is a divider method, the point 1 or 2 centimeter is apart, beginning at one end of the feature to be measured. The divider is turned constantly till the other end of the place it is reaching. The number turns is counted and then using the scale on the map, the actual distance is then calculated. Now we will see how the measure of the distance is done. For instance, first measuring the distance in a straight line. Now how the measuring of a distance in a straight line is done? For instance, from here to your school, if it is a straight line on the map, 2 points, it is measured with the ruler, or the map can be measured with the ruler. Thereafter, using the scale on the map and the actual distance can be calculated. I think you are not getting it. The thing is, the distance between 2 points from here to, for instance, we will not take that much, from your bedroom to your kitchen. Okay, so the distance, if we draw a map, on the map we will measure it with the ruler. Then after measuring it with the ruler, the scale that is given on the map, according to it, we will measure out the actual distance. As we know how much is given, 2 centimeter, so the distance to one like this only 2 centimeter. To if we are counting 2 centimeters and 2 into 50,000. Like that we will calculate. Measuring distance along curved lines. Now when their lines are curved, it is measured by either the divider method or the twin method. These methods are useful for measuring lengths of rivers, railway lines, curved lines, roads, cart tracks, etc. Distance can also be measured most accurately with a piece of string or twine. Here, method or twine method. Measuring distance of carved roads such as those along railway tracks, motorable roads, cart tracks, river roads, canals can be easily done with a piece of twine. Since it can be shaped or it can follow the curves or the bends in the road. For this we have to take a twine, make a knot at one end and place the knot end on the starting point of the distance from where the measuring will start. Now we have to move with the twine along the object that have to be measured slowly by placing the twine in the bit by bit along the route, following each bends and curves as closely as possible. When you reach the end of the route that you are measuring, that will mark the end with ink. Now we will take the twine and put the twine on the scale with the knot end to 0 and see how far is the knot going till we end our measuring to the marked point that we have marked with ink. Measuring the length of the converted, whatever length we are getting, we will measure it and then we will convert it into kilometer. If the distance to be measured is longer than the printed scale on the map, then we have to place the twine on the ruler in the same way and we have to calculate the number of centimeters that is covered and then convert it into kilometer.